Title of this project is Line Follower Robot using 5 sensors. Let us see the assembly of this project. The project working is clearly shown here.
Power supply is given.
Overview of the sample connections. Different views of this robot is shown here. This is front view, top view, right side view, left side view. Working explanation.
To this line follower, now the power supply is given to this. Yeah, the power supply is given. See here, the 5 sensors are detecting white color so that the wheels are rotating clockwise or backward. And when the when the sensors detects the black color, it is rotating forward or anti-clockwise. When the sensor detecting black color at right side, the left wheel is rotating forward and it will take right turn. And when the left sensor detecting black color, the right wheel is rotating and the left wheel is stopped so that it can take left turn. See, when the three sensors before the 3 sensors is detecting black color, it is showing that it is moving forward, so that all the conditions will be satisfied. Why? Okay.
There are 4 possibilities of technical errors. SWOT analysis is shown here. These are the conclusions after the project.